Windows play a vital role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of any home. They not only provide natural light and ventilation but also protect us from the elements. However, over time, even the most durable windows can show signs of wear and tear. If you live in New Orleans, with its unique climate challenges, it's crucial to be aware of when your windows need replacement. Here are some common signs it may be time to consider window replacement for your home. Increased energy bills. One of the first signs that it might be time for a window replacement is a noticeable spike in your energy bills. New Orleans has a hot, humid climate, and air conditioning can drive up electricity costs. If your windows are old, they may no longer provide the insulation your home needs to keep the cool air in and the heat out. Windows with drafts or poor seals allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature. If you're seeing an unexplained increase in your energy bills, it's time to inspect your windows for any issues. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly with minimal effort. If you're struggling to open or close a window, or if you hear a squeaking sound when you try, it could indicate a problem with the window's hardware or frame. Over time, exposure to humidity, especially in a coastal city like New Orleans, can cause the window frames to warp or swell. This can make them difficult to operate. If your windows have become stuck or hard to maneuver, a replacement may be necessary to restore ease of use and prevent further damage. Visible condensation between glass pane. If you notice condensation or fog between the panes of your double-pane windows, this is a clear indication that the seals have failed. This can occur when moisture gets trapped between the panes of glass, leading to an unsightly appearance and reduced energy efficiency. While this issue doesn't always affect the structural integrity of the window, it can compromise insulation and make your home less comfortable. In New Orleans, with its high humidity levels, broken seals are a common problem. If you're seeing condensation that doesn't clear up, it's time to consider replacing your windows. Drafts and air leaks. Drafts are one of the most obvious signs that your windows are no longer performing effectively. If you feel a cold breeze during the winter or notice your home feels warmer than usual during the summer, your windows might be the culprit. Gaps or cracks in the window frame, seals, or glass can let air in and out of your home, leading to drafts. In a city like New Orleans, where temperatures fluctuate drastically, replacing windows that leak air can help improve comfort and reduce your energy consumption. Cracked or damaged glass. Physical damage to your windows, such as cracks or chips in the glass, is an immediate sign that they need to be replaced. Damaged windows compromise the security of your home, as well as the comfort and insulation. In New Orleans, where severe weather events like hurricanes and heavy storms are common, damaged windows may also pose a safety risk. Replacing broken or cracked windows not only restores the appearance of your home but also ensures you have the proper protection against the elements. Increased noise from outside. Another sign that it might be time for a window replacement is an increase in outside noise. As windows age, they lose their ability to block out noise, which can be especially noticeable in a vibrant city like New Orleans, where there's constant traffic and street noise. If you notice that sounds from outside are becoming more disruptive, or if you can hear noises from your neighbors more clearly than before, your windows may no longer be providing the soundproofing you need. New windows with modern soundproofing features can help restore peace and quiet to your home. Outdated appearance. Lastly, the appearance of your windows can significantly impact the curb appeal of your home. If your windows are old, faded, or mismatched, they may detract from your home's overall look. New windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials that can complement your home's architecture and enhance its visual appeal. If your windows are outdated and affecting your home's aesthetic, a replacement may be the perfect way to improve both the appearance and functionality of your property. Conclusion. In New Orleans, the unique climate, from high humidity to the occasional storm, can take a toll on your windows over time. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it may be time to consider window replacement. Not only will new windows enhance the comfort and security of your home, but they can also improve energy efficiency, lower your utility bills, and increase the value of your property. If you're unsure whether your windows need replacing, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional window contractor who can assess your home's needs and help you make an informed decision.